and welcome back to Bushu Talkies. Today, Eldon is coming back to London, and I am super excited to see him. It's been, I think, wait, 4 months. It is not only 4 months, but it was tough 4 months for being away from him. But now he's coming back. I'm super excited. Due to some personal reasons, he's coming back to London for now. The guy Misban, who usually be in my vlogs, my friend, is Eldon's best friend. That's how I know Misban. And today he is coming with me to receive him, but he does not know that he's coming to receive Eldon. He knows that he's coming to receive my cousin, some cousin from France, which I don't even have. Apparently her name I kept as Rochella, and I had to build up this story. So when I told Eldon, like, since you're coming, let me get Misban along and we'll surprise him at the airport. Don't let him know you're coming. It was all sudden plan, right? So we had to plan up suddenly. I want that reaction of he's seeing Eldon and seeing what happens. So Eldon is already in the flight. So he's traveling. It's going to take him 1.5 hours to get here. So let us go. How did you like our surprise?
The surprise was amazing. I didn't expect that. Don't mind saying we fucking make fucking shreds. Oh shit.
Look here.
Nidola, एक और निदोला.
एक और Netherlands 20 past come.
एक और निदोला. अवेला बरो हाथ दिले का वो इसको कौन मास्क काढला है किती होईल.
So Misban, how do you feel?
I feel great.
I can't hear you. Come
I
here.
feel great and I feel amazing.
He literally has no emotion because when Eldon arrived, he was like, "What is happening?"
Processed that in my brain for 5 seconds. I was like, the fuck is happening?
दिया मळ आणि सगळं प्लॅन आहे गेला सगळी पाहतो का.
How do you feel, babe, after being home?
Wonderful babe.
He did not sleep last night before traveling with the excitement of coming back, and now look at his face.
I'm feeling sleepy.
He wanted a feeling of Goa, so what he did, he put bedding on the floor and he's sleeping over here. He has a good bed to sleep. He has everything here. But no, this Patra wants to sleep on the floor. How you felt when you saw me on the airport?
I was like, wow, wow, she's looking so beautiful. But Miss Bona was like, so I saw Miss Bona, I'm like, yeah. Then I saw you. You're like, wait. Let's surprise him.
Yeah.